Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I have been working on developing a Dance Academy website using PHP, MySQL, jQuery and Bootstrap framework. In my last video I completed the functionality of developing edit and delete feature for dance section, and now in this video I will discuss about creating the design for displaying various instructors who has already registered on this platform. So now before coming to this feature, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So now let us move on to discuss this feature of displaying different design where I can show various instructors registered on this platform. So whenever an admin clicked on this instructor menu item, now it's displaying nothing because I have to recreate that design. So now let us move on here. So here you can see I have already created a file with the name as instructors PHP file, and I have already included the database configuration file. I have started the session as well, and I have included the header and footer files as well, which are present under inc folder. And here I have set the validations which I have maintained in each and every file. Okay, and now here I have written down a jQuery script which is used to highlight the selected list item on the sidebar. Now here I have created a div with a class of container, and there are two more divs where first div is of 3 column and second div is of 9 column. So in the first div of 3 column I have included the admin sidebar which is present under sidebar folder, and in the second div with 9 column I have given a header with the name as instructor. Now let us save it and let's refresh. Now you can see the sidebar started displaying along with the header instructors. And now I need to create a table. So in the table I will display various instructors who have registered on this platform. And now I have created a table head and a table row and then table header tag to display various columns of the table, and I am displaying image of the instructor, name of the instructor, age, gender, experience and address details of each and every instructor. Now let us save it and let's refresh. Now you can see now the table header started displaying. Now the next thing which I will do is I will create a body, and then I have written an SQL query which will select all the instructors from the instructors table. Then I am executing that SQL query, and then I am checking if this query returns me some result set. Then I will iterate over those result set, and I will try to display the data in the form of a row, and I will display the informations like image. Okay, and if the instructor has not yet uploaded their image in his or her profile page in their own dashboard, then in that case I will display a default image. That's what I have done here. Okay, so now in the first TD tag I am checking what if the instructor has not yet uploaded their profile image or instructor image. So in that case I'm checking for this condition, instructor image equals to null. Then in that case I will display a default image which I have kept under assets img folder. Okay, else if the user has uploaded their profile image in their profile settings, then I will load that image from the MySQL table and display. And then along with the image I am also displaying the instructor name, which is this one. Okay, and then age and gender, then experience and address. Okay, so these are the details which I'm displaying on this table. So now if none of the instructor gets registered, then in that case I will display a message as no instructors registered yet message. Okay, so now let's save it and let's refresh. Okay, so now you can see it's displaying a message no instructors registered yet. Okay, but I have registered 3 instructors in my users table. Okay, so the details of all the users will be there inside the users table. Okay, so this is the instructor Scarlett Joseph as an instructor, and I have a student Peter. Okay, so now how I have made this is for instructors to see in the admin dashboard in this table. First, instructors needs to update their profile by going into their dashboard. So once each and every instructors uploaded their profile details, then the details will started displaying here inside the admin dashboard. Okay, so now this is everything about displaying or creating the design of displaying various instructors. Okay, and now in the next video I will discuss about uploading the profile pictures or profile details of each and every instructor by the instructor itself by going into their own dashboard. Okay, so that we will try to cover in the next video, where once the instructors uploaded their profile, then all those records will started displaying inside the admin dashboard. Okay, so that we will try to cover in our next video. So I hope you guys like this video, and that's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.